Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about anemia. Anemia is the blood disorder characterized by the reduction in red blood cell count, hemoglobin count, packed cell volume. Classification of anemia. Anemia is classified into two types: morphological classification and etiological classification. Morphological classification. Morphological classification depends upon the size and color of RBC. By this method, the anemia classified into four types: normocytic normochromic anemia, macrocytic normochromic anemia, macrocytic hypochromic anemia, microcytic hypochromic anemia. Etiological classification. Etiological classification depends upon causes or origin. Anemia is divided into five types: hemorrhagic anemia, hemolytic anemia, nutrition deficiency anemia, aplastic anemia, anemia of chronic disease. Hemorrhagic anemia. Hemorrhagic anemia due to excessive loss of blood. Anemia due to hemorrhage is known as hemorrhagic anemia. It occurs in two conditions: acute hemorrhage, sudden loss of large quantity of blood as in the case of accident. Chronic hemorrhage, loss of blood by internal or external bleeding over a long period of time. Hemolytic anemia. Hemolysis means destruction of RBCs. Anemia due to excessive hemolysis, which is not compensated by increased RBC production, is called hemolytic anemia. It is classified into two types: extrinsic hemolytic anemia, intrinsic hemolytic anemia. Extrinsic hemolytic anemia. Destruction of RBC by external factors. Healthy RBCs are hemolyzed by factors outside the blood cells, such as antibodies, chemicals, and drugs. Causes are liver failure, renal disorder, hypersplenism, and burns, hepatitis, malaria, drugs such as penicillin, anti-malarial drugs, poisoning by chemical substances like lead, coal, and tar, rheumatoid arthritis, and ulcerative colitis. Intrinsic hemolytic anemia. Destruction of RBC because of the defective RBCs. There is production of unhealthy RBCs which are short-lived and are destroyed soon. Intrinsic hemolytic anemia is often inherited and it includes sickle cell anemia and thalassemia. Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is an inherited blood disorder characterized by sickle cell shaped red blood cells. It is also called hemoglobin SS disease or sickle cell disease. Sickle cell anemia due to the abnormal hemoglobin called hemoglobin S, sickle cell hemoglobin. In this, alpha chains are normal and beta chains are abnormal. Thalassemia. Inherited disorder characterized by abnormal hemoglobin. It is also known as Cooley's anemia or Mediterranean anemia. Thalassemia is of two types: alpha thalassemia. In this, alpha chains are less and beta chains are excess in children and adults. Beta thalassemia. Beta chains are less in number, absent with an excess of alpha chains. Nutrition deficiency anemia. Anemia that occurs due to deficiency of nutritive substance necessary for erythropoiesis is called nutrition deficiency anemia. Substances necessary for erythropoiesis are iron, proteins, and vitamins. Types of nutrition deficiency anemia includes iron deficiency anemia, protein deficiency anemia, pernicious anemia, and megaloblastic anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is the common type of anemia due to inadequate availability of iron for hemoglobin synthesis. RBCs are microcytic and hypochromic. Causes: loss of blood, decreased intake of iron, poor absorption of iron from intestine, increased demand for iron in conditions like growth and pregnancy. Symptoms of iron deficiency anemia: brittle nails, spoon-shaped nails, brittle hair, atrophy of papilla in tongue, dysphagia. Protein deficiency anemia. Due to deficiency of protein, the synthesis of hemoglobin is reduced. The RBCs are macrocytic and hypochromic. Pernicious anemia and Addison's anemia. Due to deficiency of vitamin B12, it is also called Addison's anemia. It is due to destruction of gastric mucosa because of autoimmune destruction of parietal cells. Cells are macrocytic and normochromic or hypochromic. It was very difficult to treat the patients and the disease was considered to be fatal. So it was called pernicious anemia. Symptoms: lemon yellow color of skin due to anemic paleness and mild jaundice, red sore tongue. Neurological disorders such as paresthesia, abnormal sensation like numbness, tingling and burning, progressive weakness, ataxia, muscular incoordination. Megaloblastic anemia due to the deficiency of folic acid. RBCs are not matured. The DNA synthesis is also defective, so the nucleus remains immature. RBCs are megaloblastic and hypochromic. Aplastic anemia due to the deficiency disorder of bone marrow. Red bone marrow is reduced and replaced by fatty tissues. Bone marrow disorder occurs in repeated exposure to X-ray or gamma ray radiation. Presence of bacterial toxins, benzene, radium. Tuberculosis, viral infections like hepatitis and HIV infection. Anemia of chronic diseases. Secondary common type of anemia. Common causes of anemia of chronic diseases are non-infectious inflammatory diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, tuberculosis, chronic renal failure, neoplastic disorders, abnormal and disorganized growth in tissues or organ. Signs and symptoms of anemia: shortness of breath, change in stool color, muscle pain, skin yellowing, spleen enlargement, angina and heart attack, fainting and fatigue. Principles of diet: balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins and minerals should be consumed. Anemia can be prevented by taking proper diet. Once anemia develops, there is need for supplementation. Sometimes, like in pregnancy, some amount of supplementation with blood-forming nutrients may be required. Supplementation: 60 mg of elemental iron and 0.5 mg of folic acid for expectant and nursing mothers. 20 mg of elemental iron and 0.1 mg of folic acid for children in the age group of 1 to 5 years. Foods to be included: iron-rich foods are cauliflower leaves, arakirai, sundakai dry, manathakali leaves, rice flakes, mint leaves, ponangani leaves, Bengal gram roasted, bajra and lotus stem. Foods to be included: vitamin B12 foods are liver sheep, liver goat, shrimp, egg yolk, goat meat, mutton. Foods to be included: folic rich foods are liver sheep, spinach, gingerly seeds, cluster beans, amaranth tender and whole wheat. Recipes are sesame balls, stuffed dates, honey dates, sesame jaggery rice, pomegranate juice, sundakai dry recipes. Thank you.